Hey, what's up YouTube? Alright, I'm here with the 2 haul, and I got some pretty sweet things. I'll start out with the first thing, and that is gonna be these bad boys here. It's like I've already owned these, but these here. You see this? That there is a 3/8 socket on a 3/8 adapter on a 1/4" ratchet. Ain't that something? Yeah, I got that at O'Reilly's. This one was only $3.99. And the part number is Ulysses Cunt 1202 Titty Ass. And it's made by Ultra Steel. And then the other one is a 3/8 female with a 1/2" male. And that's a Ulysses Cunt 1203 Titties Ass. And I have it on my 3/8 body, or my 1/4" body, 3/8 head, Japanese ratchet. And this is a Tony ratchet. This thing's sweet. It locks. It's got the bolster here. Yeah, it's very light. See? Very light. Makes it nice for in the handle, because this doesn't get like super cold. So, yeah, that's that. And they do have little indentions in there, so they will fit nicely into your ratchet. So, yes, that's that. And then this is just normal 1/4", you know, so you could get a much larger socket in there with a smaller ratchet. So moving on, I got my battery for the M12 Stubby Wubby. This thing's boss, and that's only not even half charged. This thing's just barely got any power, I'm assuming. But what's badass is you put it on the breakaway, and that's where the real power is at. It's on the breakaway. So that's sweet. Next to a 18-volt 1/4". I can't believe that. That's craziness. That is crazy. Next thing on this tool haul is this set of pliers here. These are some sweet pistol grip vice grips, and these things are beefy feeling. They got this cylinder here that locks them. You know, just, and then that is your unlocker there. But yeah, I got this off of Amazon. I've seen this by it says Titan Forge, and I've also seen the company Grip-On make them. I guess Grip-On is the company that makes Snap-On's vice grips. So, not saying these are the best, you know, or gonna be the best, because we all know what people say about those. So, yeah, that's that. And moving on. Oh, and I just want to do a little comparison here. This is an actual 3/8 ratchet. Just to show you, you know, like, size difference. There's a good bit of difference, and there's a big weight difference too. This thing's a lot more heavier. This was supposed to be a ratcheting screwdriver from Williams, you know, one of the Snap-On style ones. But yeah, it's a number 4 Phillips I'll never use in my life, you know. Like putting together some like children's play equipment at the park, you know, so I see like big ass. But yeah, looks like Amazon's going to be paying for this. But got some more pliers. These are from OrBis, which is also a company of Knipex, K-Pop. You know, And why I got these out was to compare the handles. Like, well, it's different. You know, they still got some schmooze oil, schmoozy oil from Schmoozy Year. These were 1995, made in Germany, of course. K-Pop, made in Germany. And these are some nippers, wire nippers. The C60 part number 33140, made by OrBis. This pair was $6 and change. And then this pair here, I believe this pair was $9 and change, maybe $8. It's made in Germany as well. There's some more schmoozy stuff up in there too. It's a bunch of Berjackle. So that's that. Y'all like my tool haul? Give me a like. Oh, hey, I forgot something. This tool haul ain't over yet. Where are we going to put all these pliers on? We're going to put them on the plier rack. That's right. Tool of sort. So, check this out. I believe each one holds 16. And then you can put the spring-loaded ones into this portion here, and they keep the handles closed so you can close your toolbox drawer nicely and easy. So I'm excited to have these plier racks. I love my pliers. My goal is to have like a $2,000 plier collection by the end of the year, the first of the year, you know. And I only start in April. So that's that. Pretty stoked. Don't forget, share if you want. Deuces.